I got into beekeeping first of all when I was 11 years old, back in 2014. Beekeeping had been in the family since 1969 when my grandfather got a hive in his back garden. And then in 2014 the school come to visit to basically bring a load of people over to show them around the hive, and that's where it kind of all kicked off. I got invited back again, and then I really enjoyed it, so I got my first hive, and that's where it took off. So I got my first hive, then my second hive, and then back in 2017 my grandfather was diagnosed with cancer, and he suddenly passed away, which meant I was left with over 35 hives, and with nobody else in the family knowing how to do beekeeping. It was all left to me, and that's where the business kind of took off, and we grew our hive numbers massively. I continue to increase my hive numbers in order to produce more quality Welsh honey. We're also now modernising our business by moving all of our honey over to an online shop. It's important for us to have the online stores so that we can get our honey direct to the consumer. We also have other platforms which you can find our honey, such as eBay and Amazon. I enjoy running my business because I'm able to interact with new people. I meet amazing new characters, and not only that, I'm able to work every single day with bees and be at one with nature. The challenges with a business is fitting every single thing into one, because I've got to go out and see the bees. Not only that, I've got to go out and pot the honey and also deliver it. I've also got to fit in all of this while doing full-time education. It's also a lot of work lifting off the boxes to put them back on. Not only that, transporting the boxes. Each box is 15 kilograms, so we've got to take off the honey and then bring it all the way back to be extracted, and that is a lot of work. I've received loads of support from Cymaint, from rebranding of the labels to marketing expertise. Cymaint have helped me move into new locations such as London. Not only that, they've helped me move up the rankings on Google and also make my website more appealing for the consumer. In the future, I want to move into new markets, such as going into different areas of the UK. Not only that, we're going to increase hive production so we can get more honey and support Welsh businesses. It's important to have an online presence in order to target new consumers, modernise the business, and also target a younger audience which we wouldn't have got before from selling in farm shops. I'm in the family business so I can continue my family's legacy. I'm also ambassador for young beekeepers so that I can get more young people into the industry. I'm also able to support the environment while looking after the bees.